Here's a popular body, style, and model. 1977 Chevrolet K5 Blazer Cheyenne. 4-inch lift on this 4x4. 454 big block underneath the hood. It's got a Holley 670 4-barrel on it. Let's go ahead and take a look at this front grille and the chrome up front. Power steering, power brakes, and AC. Now I want to point out paint on the hood. Does have some clear that has come off. Paint is not perfect on this vehicle. Does it still have a nice shine? Yes, shows decent in areas, but it is not perfect. It's one of those, to me, drive it the way it is, have some fun with it. You want to take it to the next level. It's a paint job away. Interior's been redone. We'll get into that in a bit. First, take your time looking through the still pictures. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. That's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Let you take a look at the chrome wheels, Nerf bars. Let's go ahead and take a look down the passenger side of this vehicle. Little scuff there. Lower rockers look good. New carpeting, new vinyl bucket seats up front. Like I said, we'll get around to the driver's side, check that out a little closer. Start it up, let you hear it run. Take a peek underneath the hood. Also remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Rear window will crank down. You want to do that when you open and close it. Handle right here turns into the crank. Closes back up, and you'll be able to see that in the still pictures. Did crank it down, took pictures in the rear of the vehicle and everything, so you'll be able to see that in the pictures. Probably over 100 pictures of this vehicle online. UniqueClassicCars.com. A few other things I want to quick mention. If you like 4x4s, you like square body trucks, maybe you're into classics, high performance sports cars, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you'll see come through here. Fun to check out vehicles if that's what you're into. Some of the recent service work that was done on this vehicle, it does have a rebuilt transmission in it with a shift kit and stall converter. Also a new starter and flex plate. New battery. Does have a tilt column, new gauges. Mentioned it's a 4-inch lift a little bit ago. We're going to check out the new carpeting and bucket seats here in a second. Radio does work, it's error correct, does have new speakers in it. So let's take a little closer look at this passenger side, and then some of the kind of little chrome trim there, maybe a little ding here or there. And you can see the paint on the sides. Got a little bit of blistering on the top half of the door, but kind of like I said before, it's got a nice shine to it. Good look. Again, drive it the way it is. Have some fun, or take to the next level with some paint. Of course, the glass top will come off of it, so you have an open air 4x4 with the rear seating. Take a look at the door panels. Also, you'll be able to see the underside of the doors, and the still pictures look good. I noticed these plugs here, so it may have had some rust inhibitor sprayed in it once upon a time. All right, so you can see new carpeting in black, vinyl seats, buckets, new. Let's go ahead and fire this up so you can hear it run. Thing is always fired right off when I start it. Just like that. Again, 454 power. That is paired up an automatic transmission. Take a look at the gauges over here. That was a cold start. I won't expect the temp gauge to be up. Voltmeter came up. Oil pressure. Previous owner mentioned the cruise did not work, just so you know. AC, all the components seem to be there. I have not had it blowing cold though, just so you know. Stereo working. Top of the dash. Looks pretty good. This seat, of course, like new also. And it looks like the rear seat's been revinyl. Seat belt's intact in the rear as well as the front with the shoulder harness. Let's see that. slip around to the back so you hear it run. Nothing crazy or over the top as far as the exhaust goes. If you stick around to the very end of the video, we're going to take this thing for a drive too, so you'll be able to see how it goes down the road. We'll put the camera in it, kind of take it for a virtual ride for you to ride along. Hang on, let's get this hood open, check out that engine bay. There's a peek at the underside of the hood. And engine bay. You'll be able to see this in the still pictures also. As you can see, AC compressor, power brakes, power steering. Get a Holley 4-barrel on there, 670. Smooth runner. Call us 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. That's where you check out all the still pictures. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a 1977 Chevrolet Blazer. One of those lovely square body trucks with a removable back top. 4x4, of course. Fuel gauge is showing 1/4 of a tank. Oil pressure is almost 60. Volts are over 13.5, right about 14. And the temperature is 1/4 of the way up the gauge. We got a little traffic today. This is an automatic on the column, so it is easy to drive. Aftermarket bucket seats in this truck, very nice. Comfortable, good visibility, good height. Nice acceleration in this truck. Automatic shifting nicely. Sometimes you can just tell that automatic feels tight, feels fresh. Wipers are working in this vehicle. We do have heat. Factory looking radio. That's also working. For a lifted truck, this does ride nice. I'd say you feel the road just as much as you want to. It's not too squishy and not too firm. The steering wheel is clocked a little bit to the left. That doesn't affect the performance at all. If I let go of the wheel, it doesn't pull to either side for me. Very nice. Brakes are working well. It's a little slack in the steering. That is expected with this era of truck. Not much. This truck corners well. Doesn't lean very much. Good height for taking off-road if you want to. Check out all the pictures and learn more about this truck at uniqueclassiccars.com.